In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Pump.fun. So the first step is to simply go to phantom.com, and then we're gonna have to download the Chrome extension. So simply click on this button and then you're gonna have to simply download it. Now, if you want to do this from the mobile device, you can do it. So you can use the Phantom Wallet if you want. It's the same process. Now, once you get the Chrome extension, you're gonna have to create a wallet. So as you can see, I have my wallet here. So now what we're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down until we see here this search button. So simply click on it, and then we're gonna have to simply click on sites. Now from here, we're gonna have to select Pump.fun, and then we're gonna have to simply click on connect wallet on the right side. Then simply select Phantom, and then we're gonna have to click on connect again and then confirm the connection, and basically that's all we have to do. So now we can simply start trading. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.